Okay, yeah. you
Okay.
see- I've seen people do it.
Right.
You light it and then you can see.
Is
the
it just
fire
like our
and everything.
stoves at home to light the pilots? Like you just turn the gas on and stick a.
Right.
So that's all we do.
Right.
So we don't need Edison to come out here and light these
No.
pilots.
No.
Okay.
But somebody who's a little bit more experienced, in order to light the oven, you need somebody a little bit more experienced to light the
So
oven.
is that DTE or?
I mean, you can call them and see if they'll do that. They may do it.
But is it where you just pull out the bottom and stick a long piece of like an 8x10 paper under there and with the, you know, like your old school ovens,
Like,
and it'll catch?
If you're doing like a, it's somewhat like the old school, right?
Yeah,
Well,
just-
if you're doing it with a, have you lit a hot water tank before?
Yes.
Okay, it's the
They
same
met
concept.
about 25 years ago. Yes. My father taught me how to light a
Okay.
hot water tank.
I
Yes.
used to do that.
Yes.
Too.
I know how to do
Okay.
that. Yes.
Now, on
I
this,
don't know where that.
in
would
order to
go
get
in.
the, in order to get this on, again, this valve, you turn this valve where it's everything is lined up. That's
Okay.
vertical.
So that's on
Okay.
and that's
That's
off.
off.
Okay.
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 Once you
Yeah,
turn it
time, like,
on,
and turn it on one more time and off, just for the video. That's on.
You want lights?
Yep, and that's off.
okay.
Yeah.
Now, here's the deal. When you turn it on, I think this is going to be the first one it gets to. But you got air in the line right now because it's been off. All right. So when you're lighting it, you take the things you're lighting for barbecue.
Like the big long one. Click,
Right,
click.
that's
Yes.
right. You take it and hold it there so it can light up. We'll have its neck,
Okay.
and you light each one.
Oh,
We'll have
okay.
its neck
Have
on. Or to do it even faster,
Just turn on.
just turn on each eye and do it. Okay?
Okay.
Don't let it scare you because it will proof
Okay.
because you got air in the line.
Okay.
Okay, what have you. So once you do that, then it's safer to light the bottom.
Okay. Which one is for the bottom? The round one?
The bottom, let me see, which one you got? Yeah, this one, yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
So light the top ones first and then the bottom one.
right.
Okay. How much you got that? Because we're going to give you the barbecue lighter.
Yeah.
Okay. Gotcha.
Okay.
And Carlson, any questions?
I'm just looking at the controls.
Okay.
I've never used this.
I know I haven't.
I've never either, but I know how to light an oven that isn't electric. Like our oven now, we don't need a piece of paper. We just go click, 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 whoosh, and it's like an autopilot lighter.
Yeah.
But my oven also has a convectioner oven and I have two ovens, so this is old school.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, they make them old school like this because, believe it or not, they're safer.
Are they?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, they're safer.
Yeah.
And that's how come, in order to turn, the reason why this was turned off and left off in the first place is because you're burning your gas while those pilots are on.
Mm-hmm.
So you turn the gas, but they also want pilots always running, if you got it going through, because that means gas is constantly escaping and it's nothing that's actually been, if you will, gathered up to the point where it causes some type of explosion.
Yeah.
The
So that
scary
gas
thing-
is always being burned because the pilots are on.
Yeah, one scary thing for me would be like why I said we're gonna table kitchen is because I would be afraid somebody would come down here and leave that on and not cut it off after they cook. So that's one of those check and balances. Because
Well, now,
yeah,
Well, do you
now,
have
let me
to
ask you.
turn it off and on?
Let me ask you this. Are you saying
that should be turned off every night, right?
not necessarily?
Oh, so
No.
once we turn it on one time, just leave it on.
You can just leave it on. However, if you don't use it often,
Once a month.
it's constantly burning gas,
Right.
and your gas bill will go up.
Okay, so if we use it once a month, just cut it off and then
Right.
relight it when we need
Exactly.
Right.
it. Okay, we
Right.
got that. I understand.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Did we look at the grease trap? I'm gonna stop this video.